Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bakery biscuits at home. Start by gathering your essential ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 6 tablespoons of very cold, unsalted butter. You'll also need about 3/4 of a cup of cold milk or buttermilk. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, baking powder, and salt. Next, cut your 6 tablespoons of very cold butter into small, pea-sized pieces and add them to the dry mixture. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add 3/4 of a cup of cold milk, mixing until just combined. Now turn your shaggy dough onto a lightly floured surface. Gently knead it about 5 or 6 times, folding it over itself to create layers. Pat the dough into a circle or rectangle about 1/2 inch thick. Use a 2-inch biscuit cutter, pressing straight down without twisting, to get about 8 to 10 biscuits. Arrange your cut biscuits on a baking sheet, leaving a little space between them. Bake them in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown on top. Once baked, let them cool for a few minutes, then serve your warm, fluffy biscuits with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.